My people, this one a serious wahala. As in, Regina showing off her expensive gifts. Don't drag this actress enter this matter at the tell una. She write and say at a time like this, she said, though some people have not slept well in days, proceed of people's stolen funds. Oh my goodness. Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you're new in the house, you are welcome. If you're my old subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to smash on that red button that says subscribe. Beside the red button, there is a notification bell. The essence of that bell is for you to get notified each time or each day I upload a new video. You can always come and check it out, okay? Thank you so much as you do so. Yes, so my correct people don't come with this latest. Una know every now. As the news they hot, they come and they carry and come for una. Now una they push me, they go. All right, oh my correct people, this matter concern two people, and two of them happen to be Nollywood actress, our Regina Daniels herself and Victoria Iyama, Anyway, in case you know sabi these faces and you just meet them for the very first time, this face for you just a see so now they call Regina Daniels, and Regina Daniels happened to be one of the Nollywood actress we start to the act film when she was very young. I think she was 7 to 8 years old then when she started the act film, and now she be that babe we marry this billionaire where people come they talk say, hey, wait to make you marry billionaire now because of the money now make you marry, and because the age difference no be yeah my people now so country people take they talk the matter, but still yet Regina they let us know say she they happily married, as in she they happy for the marriage because now her choice, you know, understand. She said nobody force her, so they always they flaunt her thing for social media, and it come like that flaunting come they make some of our colleagues these days, they come the vex put for the matter. Okay, my people, this other lady we won't talk about, so now she be this, and now she they call Victoria Iyama. Victoria Iyama herself now one of the Nollywood actress we get 3 beautiful children. Me na pardon me, Regina get one son, yes guys, yes, and she don't still take for the Nollywood industry, and what's it called the sub be say yesterday for social media, Regina come flaunt her expensive gifts where she gets for her 20 years old birthday from her husband, what they call Prince Ned Nwoko. My people. So as Regina come flaunt the gifts, you know, some people follow her happy, why some people they come they talk, you know, that they talk their mind, what they think about everything and all that. Then this our colleague can't choctalize the whole world, my people. Our colleague can't talk say I go let una see the right talk, because if I talk like this it go be like say I just carry the talk without any proof and all that. No, I come with a lot of proof, so feel I'm take rub mind. Our colleague can't talk say for Regina to flaunt that gifts, imagine say the wristwatch alone now 24 million naira now she wear for hand, and you know, our other landed and plane car where she, you know, where she says she gets as, you know, she get as a gift from her husband. You know, if that wristwatch now 24 million, how much and I think say go be that same plane car, it go worth billions. Una understand? Yes. So make we read waiting our sister right where they call Victoria. She said reacting to a post, Victoria Iyama suggested that the huge amounts of money Ned used to acquire the accessory was money stolen from other people's coffer. You now understand me, my people? So this our sister, as she can't write some people can't talk say now they see say some people they see white, they call them white, because for that Naija there some people go see black, they go call them white, and why if they see white they go call them green. They know they like see white, say now white be that. People come they give her kudos, why some come they talk say which one be her own, why she go write that kind of statement if she no happy for the poor girl, they make she suffer waka pass, no be a must for them to, to react to waiting the girl can't show the world say she gets from her husband. Why some people can't still talk say my people, some people let us know say na really true this lady they talk say because inside how many days for year e be like say I make that video say get some widows for Asaba wey be say they call cry come outside and they call the attention of their Delta State governor they call Okonwa. So they were really angry. They say net who don't collect all their land because they in get level and they don't cry go meet Olokpa. That is, and police say they know they no answer. They know now for Nigeria when big man they do some kind things, all those of our Nigeria Olokpa like that. Then they look and they come off face. Nobody say they don't know some kind things that they do. Well, I don't know. Now even those same widows can't talk. Understand? Now one person can't bring that idea for the comment section. My people, before we come know wetin dey play, another person come still come out from nowhere come talk say before Regina marry the Ned, say Ned na already billionaire before. Say we no see and say if he no be billionaire, all in wives, some of him wives now oyinbo, no be that Morocco woman. No, you now understand. Even that in first daughter they call Julia, her mom na oyinbo, that kind thing. Say if he no be billionaire, what oyinbo won't use am do. Say in short, and the man don't already get money, make him this lady no talk. Say na people money na him Ned carry, come they squander am for Regina. One person come still talk say even if Ned squander this money for Regina body, at least Regina na him wife and moreover Regina don't still born put for the marriage. My people just talk their mind, and as I can't see this, I can't look and say it dey obvious say some of these are colleagues for the Nollywood industry. They know they happy with her and all that, and me if I go say make I talk this one, I won't just dey neutral. I know they for this person's side, I know they for the other person's side, because wetin I believe for this world be say everybody they entitled to his or her own comments. Now make us get freedom of speech. They always say it's allowed. You understand me? So what I see for this matter be say it be like say Regina go they hide her face small, all those showing off of things and all that. The way it just did, so you don't they piss some kind people off, as they don't they piss some kind people, especially our colleague. They don't they vex for and say she too they show herself. But if we look at it the other way angle, not say Regina a young girl, so all these kind things she go like to see me she can show the world to feel whether they go follow am happy and all that. They don't know say not be everybody will say follow you open things now in love you. Understand me? So but whatever the case may be, making her let us know far better. I don't know whether na really true this lady talks. She say Ned thief the money from people cover, that is from people purse. Now I know say they call cover. Understand what I try talk. So I did very sure say una read them. No be say matter. Now waiting just the trend they come out now from the internet site. So now it's make I run call carry and give my ogbonge people. My people, how una see this matter? I leave her for in her hand, making her just judge am by una self, making no come be like say na me can't talk, na me can't judge. I know now. All right, guys, thank you all for watching. So right now I go stop this video for you. So make you drop your comment, make you let me know what you think about this video, and make you like, make you share. If you never subscribe to my channel, oh my goodness, help me hit that red button where say subscribe. After you don't subscribe, don't forget to press that bell so that anytime you say I drop video for you go there among the first person to come check them out. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I go see you again for my next video. From me to you, I say bye for now.